Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, the gravy guy. It's Saturday, so I'm going to walk you through how to make a delicious comfort food, macaroni and cheese, with 4 main ingredients. This recipe is perfect for busy weeknights, picky eaters, or whenever you need a simple, satisfying meal. So let me quickly show you how to make it. Round up a skillet and drop in 4 cups, or roughly 1,000 milliliters of chicken stock. You can also substitute with veggie stock if you prefer. Turn your burner to medium to high heat and add 8 ounces or 227 grams of elbow macaroni. Yes, it's that easy. Give it all a quick mix and then bring it to a simmer. Once it starts to simmer, cook it for 8 to 10 minutes or until the macaroni are done. Have you ever struggled to make the perfect sauce? Wait no longer. Sauces made simply by the Sauce and Gravy channel chef, Johnny Mac, is a must for your next holiday feast or weeknight meal. Delve into a selection of savory and sweet sauces as well as rich gravy recipes with easy to follow step-by-step directions and QR codes that will take you straight to the channel's video recipes. You will be able to visualize the sauce making process and improve your sauce making skills while delighting your family and friends. Order now and get your copy today. Links are in the video description and comment section below. While the macaroni slowly simmers, you can make some toasted breadcrumbs. It adds texture. It's optional. You don't have to do it if you don't want. Add 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs to a hot, dry pan over medium to high heat. Shimmy and shake the breadcrumbs around. Once they start to toast and start to turn light brown, you can turn off the heat, but keep moving the pan. It's still hot, so shimmy and shake the pan until the breadcrumbs are lightly browned and everything is cooled off. While the macaroni is cooking, it's a good idea to frequently stir, that way it'll keep it from sticking to the bottom of the pan. After 8 to 10 minutes, this is what it should look like. There's a touch of stock still in the bottom of the pan. The noodles look to be done, but it's always a good idea to taste them to make sure. When done, add 3/4 cup or 188 milliliters of heavy cream, also called whipping cream or double cream in some countries. Mix it in over low heat. Next step is to add the cheese, 8 ounces, 227 grams of freshly shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Add it in batches, mix it in until it's well melted into the macaroni. After a quick 15 minutes and a few simple ingredients, you've got this. A great weeknight quick dinner or a weekend delight. Give it a quick taste to adjust the seasoning. Add a touch of salt or black pepper if necessary. Once it's all mixed in, you have a homemade, rich, creamy, and cheesy, easy to make mac and cheese, all made in the comfort of your own home from scratch. The only thing left to do is to top it with the breadcrumbs, grab a spoon, and dive in. Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And you know what? If you found it helpful, share it with your friends. They might find it useful too. Thanks again for watching. Until next Saturday, keep whisking, y'all.